Mr. Speaker, Professor Julius Ihonvere, or One Federal Constituency. Performing my role as leader of the House, I thought it was important that in as much as we appreciate the commitment of our members, particularly those that are chairing statutory committees, to give us the maximum of their efforts, that activity, that process, does not erode the work of plenary and parliament generally. I have observed that in most cases, meetings are scheduled for 11 a.m., exactly the same time that plenary should be convening. And I think our rules are very clear that meetings of committees should be from 3 p.m. or wherever they want on Mondays and Fridays, even Saturdays or Sundays. And that we should discourage the process of taking members away from plenary to committee meetings when they should be sitting here representing their constituencies. This has implications for many things. Members are not aware of decisions that are taken here. They're not aware of critical issues that are brought before us. And when they read some of this in the platform or elsewhere, they then begin to raise issues about them. It is just to ensure for the smooth running of the House and to ensure maximum participation in the House. Mr. Speaker, having said that, the other one is on order 3.4 on page 28, which stipulates that if you are traveling anywhere, you should inform the Speaker one way or the other so that we know where you are. The world is becoming excessively difficult, complex, and sometimes you may travel to a place like Ukraine and something happens, we pray it doesn't, and when they ask us, we say we don't have any of our members there. But they say there's somebody claiming to be from your assembly. So just to urge members that by one way or the other, even if you cannot reach the Speaker, please inform the Chief of Staff to the Speaker. Be rest assured that message will get to the Speaker the same day. Whenever you are traveling, in fact, our rules say even to your constituency within the country. If you check it on page 28, order 3.4, you should inform the Speaker of your whereabouts. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.
Message is really timely and very important. You can see the scanty nature, particularly in the mornings when we start plenary. It's really embarrassing. And you find at that time, most members are engaged in one committee assignment or the other, while it has been categorically, expressly stated that meetings of committees shouldn't take place at the same time with plenary. So, chairmen of committees, please take note. We will start taking action for those who convey meetings during plenary. If you must have a meeting in the morning, so please choose either Monday or Friday or Saturday, days that we don't have plenary. You can now slate your committee meetings. But on plenary days, please let us respect our own rules and stop conveying or conducting committee meetings during plenary. Please, let's take note of this. Thank you, Leader.